Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set up multiple desktop in Windows 10. So first you see this task view. So just click on it and you see this is showing these programs. So in the upper side you see this new desktop. Just click on it and you see this desktop 2 is open. This desktop 1 and this is desktop 2. If you need to create third one, so again click on new desktop. So you see this is third one and fourth, 5 and 6. So this way you can set up multiple desktop in Windows 10. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.